Bankrate Retirement Planner Honest review. Watch before using. The Bankrate Retirement Planner is a widely used tool designed to help individuals estimate their retirement savings need. And here is an honest review based on an available information of this platform. So talking about the good side and the bad side of this platform, which is part of the review, it comes a user-friendly interface together with a comprehensive tools and an immediate feedback as a result of delay displayed on the same page, often accomplish a chart by chart enabling users to visualize their retirement projection and instantly. Talking about the downside, which is a limited personalization, assumption based on estimate, and a potential for misinterpretation. Due to its simplicity, user might misinterpret the result without a comprehensive understanding of the underlying assumption for limitation. And here's the overall bottom line about this platform. Bankrate Retirement Planner serve as a useful starting point for individual planning to consider their retirement saving goal. It is to use immediate results, make it appealing for quick assessment. However, for more personalized and detailed retirement planning, user may need to consult a financial advisor to use more sophisticated tools that account for a broader range of variables.